Welcome to Kidsu, learning and educational channel.
Hello kids! Welcome to Kidsu. Today, we will learn about nouns. What is a noun? A noun is a name of a person, place, animal, or thing. There are two types of noun. Proper noun and a common noun. Proper noun. A proper noun is a special name and always begins with a capital letter. Name Sophia is a proper noun. Common noun. It is a general name and does not begin with a capital letter. Book is a common noun. Let's try few more examples. May. It is a proper noun as it's a special name for month. Pencil. It is a common noun as it's a common name. Christmas. It is a proper noun as it's a special name. Watch. It's a common noun as watch can be of any name. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.